Hey miners, hope you all going well. So there is a quick update from TRX Miner that TRX Miner is releases a new version that is May 16, 2022, and now this is the 10:49 a.m. This is the IST time, and there is a quick update that this is the test release version. Here you can see on this TRX Miner version, this is the test release. Okay, so in this folder you can see that TRX Miner is releases a new version, that 0.36.2 test version. So here they have said that if you are experiencing regular crashes with 0.36.1, please try this version. So if you are facing some error issue or some bugs or the stable mode, or your miner is going to be crashes for after some time, so you can use this version that is 0.26.2. so here is the changes for LHR 90% unlock of 30, 80, 12 GB and 3050. So I have not any 3080 12 GB card or 3050. I have only 23060 LHR card, as you know. But so I'm now today give you the settings or the information about on this card. So this is the changes for two cards, otherwise all cards is now 100% unlock, you know. And the bug fixes are LHR unlock stability improvement, because you know the first message that the experiencing crashes some error issue is facing on 0.36.1. so for this improvement there is they are fixes the bugs on this latest test version. And here they said that LHR unlock stability is improvement. So LHR unlocker required is for 512.xx version or 512.15 version, not the upper version, because if you use the upper version then you can be unlock 100%, or you get some error issue on Windows. Or if you want to use the Linux version on HighOS, then you need to download or you need to update it the 510.60.02 version or up. And after this settings or the overclock settings and the minor settings, you need to reboot the system before running the version. Here you can see that reboot the system before you running this version and reset any potential GPU drivers errors, because now the time HighOS is experiencing lot of crashes issue or the NVIDIA driver error issue for if you updating or changing the overclock setting. So this is the two links, this is for the Linux version or this is the Windows version. Okay, so and one more thing, this is the main command for 100% unlock. If you use is HighOS, then you need to copy this whole command from here, or I give you in the description, and copy and paste this on HighOS. I can show you that where to be paste. And just for that, first of all, for the Windows miner, if you use Windows, then you need to click on this link and you go to the main version. Just a minute. Okay, for Windows, if you going to be download, then you redirect to download. So after all, just keep on this, don't discard it. So if you keep on this, then it will be okay. So I already downloaded. Here we can see that I already downloaded just for, so that's why I'm just discard. And after this, you can see that I already downloaded it here and extract it also and set the batch file. And I'm using the nicest, that's why I give the nicest name and also the Stratum generator ID or the wallet ID. Here you can see my Stratum generator ID is from nicest and this is my wallet ID. And after all, in the last version, here we can see I don't make any changes about it. So just for it. And one more thing, if I double click on it, then it start. You can see that 0.26.2 is running, but there is some error issue, because if you down or if you double click on it, then your miner cannot be run. Here you can see that TRX miners can't, just a minute, TRX miners TRX miners can't unlock the GPU. Make sure you run the miner as an admin privilege. So you need to click on as an administrator. Okay, so after all, if click yes, and your miner is running start. So my PC is too old, as you know. For this, if I press any key, then it's closes the window and it does not work on my Windows. So as for this, I can share you the best result or some information about Windows now. So I'm closing is here, and now for the iOS miner, there is no issue you can get, because just a minute, if you on iOS miner, okay, so here you can see that now it's running on 0.26.1. so if you on FlightShip, by the way, this is the best overclock setting I find on for my 3060 LHR card. Just a minute. Okay, so core clocks is -502, but you can use this as a -400 as a core clock. But if you use the core clock is what the others YouTuber is said that 1400, 1575, then you need to max power to get the maximum 51 to 50 megahertz. If you use this core clock, then your power is to be stable and is around 119 watts to 120 watts. And the memory clocks you can set 27 to 30 200 on what is your graphics card by this reference. And the flight sheet is, just click on edit, you can see that this is the Coinbase Ethas, nicest wallet, nicest pool, and TRX miner. The setup config file is that you need to click on the latest. Okay, so you need to latest, and after all is setting is same, because nicest, you can see here the nicest pool, the wallet, and the Ethas algorithm. So you need to select the latest version. Okay, so after this, just a minute, after this FlightShip setting, you need to copy the whole command. Okay, copy the whole command, and then you need to, most of the miners are no, but for the new miners you can see here the run command. Okay, number 5 is run command. Click on this and copy this. This is for I pasted on the 0.26.0. okay, for when I use 0.25.15, then I use the beta version. For this I pasted it here. Now copy the new version or the new command that is here. Copy this command and paste on it here. Okay, also after click on run, and you are all done. Okay, so after you are all done, you get the latest version, that is 0.26.2. and if you use 3080 or 3050 card, then your card is going to be unlocked 90%. and if you use others all cards like 3060 to 3080 6GB or 8GB something, I forgot about. So if you use the all other miners, all other cards, so you get the maximum 100% unlock feature. So this is the overall information that TRX Miner is releases the new version, and this release version is today, May 16, 2022. And if you use this miner, so you on Windows you get the stable mode as for the 0.26.1, and if you use the Windows version, then you need to not have any changes because you all are set. And for the driver update, you face some issue on HiveOS, so don't worry about that. Now you use your firmware or the flight sheet as properly, and the overclock setting is also properly. And if you use the latest version, then you need not to make any changes or something else to think about too much worry. So this is the overall information, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like the information video, please give a like button, or sorry, please give a please give a thumbs up. This is for my motivation, because if you like my videos and subscribe to my channel, this is good for me to feel that I can make more videos for you to give you the information about all the latest miners. And one more information is, after this video I make one more videos about which miner is best for your overclock setting or 100% LHR unlock. So stay tuned for that. So have a great day. Bye bye.